Here's something that might be interesting to look into. The sign on that building says Original Trail, Olean Trail Stage Route Rest Stop, 1834 to 1886. Never heard of the Olean Trail Stage Route. Never heard of that. And there's an old stone, big old fire pit, big old outdoor oven, got a giant kettle in it. We just happen to be out here, out in the country on our way to somewhere. Sample Sleepy Hollow Farm. Huh. Interesting. An old barn with a stone foundation. Been around a while. Huh. I'll have to look into that later. And next thing is the GPS tells us to make the next left onto Olean Trail Road. It's like, what? First thing comes to mind is, I hope they've improved the trail.
Continue on Olean Trail for 3/4 of a mile.
Since the days the stagecoaches were running. Yeah, this is in pretty good shape. Yeah, it's been improved. We'll just go with that. The sun was shining a moment ago. Look over there. Wow. Well, maybe it's breaking up and maybe it's not. I don't know. It's not looking as bad now. Of course, I think we turned a little bit more to the north. Maybe it's back there behind us now. Let's just hope it's going the other way. Some of those are pretty dark. There was actually a street light back there, a dusk to dawn light outside that didn't come on, and the wind was starting to pick up. It's like, you start getting a little concerned, like what's about to move in on us here. What's going on here? Come on, not that bad, I hope. Maybe they know something we don't. Maybe they see something behind us. Maybe we should make a run for it. Here comes the rain, Bubba. Bubba. Bella Bella. And away we go again. I don't even know what town we're in right now. I think we're just north of Clarion, Pennsylvania. I don't know what that is over there on the left. If that's the big building is the courthouse, maybe it's a big library. But that smaller building that's further away, it looks like it was a church or something. I don't know. It's interesting downtown. We might end up in Allegheny National Forest today. So yeah, we're hoping to land in a campground and we can get stuff out and set up camp proper. Get the grill out. You know, stuff. And there's some cannons over there. I've never seen one with those type of wheels on it before, though. That one's interesting. Huh. Huh. Nice little park. Yes, this is Clarion. We are in Clarion, Pennsylvania. But not for long. This is pretty short-lived. We're off to the forest. Alright, this is sure is getting to feel like the forest. Got quite a canopy over top of us. It's almost 100% shade. Only a couple little spots of sunshine make it through here. Alright. What creek? I don't know if this is the Clarion River again up here or some creek we'll be crossing. Yeah, I think we're just entering the forest up here. I don't think up here on the left. We should have went up there. Just a minute. That's a guy just sitting here on the bridge fishing. Nice. And according to the map, we're in the green now, so it's not labeled yet, but I'm pretty sure we're at the edge of the Allegheny National Forest now. See, we're out here where there's more and more cabins. And there are people that live out here all year round. There are bigger homes out here, but you start seeing just cabins all over the place. Looks like nice tubing for kayaking waters, huh? Bella? I don't know how you're gonna get out of there. Come on, girl. You can do it. Come on. Something fell over in there. Cradled away. She's gonna, Bella is gonna love where we're at. We have a spot here that's spot number one. It's by the creek. There's a beaten path that goes down to the creek. And it's the type of creek that kind of nice and slow and trickling, and you can hear the water over there. I make for good sleeping or just relaxing when you can hear the water kind of little waterfall noises. Russ is getting set up here. We're gonna get unpacked here. I'm all kind of cockeyed here. That's just the way we're gonna roll. All right. Well, we should get solar. Some good solar for a while. And I have a do-it-yourself homemade. What am I thinking? What are those things? Awnings. Awning. I had to look at Russ's for it to click. I got kind of homemade awning here. We're gonna try out, see how that goes. I think I thought of just about everything except for when the doors are open. I might have to get some little protective thing under the edge of each door if I have my doors open, but because I know it's gonna rub. We'll see. We will get to that. Wait a minute. Did you run down that path? Don't you get in Russ's vehicle? Are your paws wet? Did you go down to the river without me? Come here. Let me see. You did. No. Come here. She couldn't. She heard it and she seen the path, and she just had to. I waded in, got herself a little drink. Look, she didn't. Oh, how nice! Isn't that funny? She just went for it. Didn't even ask. Oh, look at that! Up the shoulder. That is perfect depth for her. She doesn't like it so deep that. She doesn't like to have to. Well, it's getting pretty deep for her. Oh, she had to swim. She had to give it, one or two strokes, little doggy strokes. That's like perfect depth for her. She can wade. She prefers to kind of wade like she is right there. Did you get a little over and actually have to swim a couple of strokes there? It's a nice drink. She loves it. Get herself a nice drink. And somebody commented here a while back, about her not letting her drink. I'm like, what are you talking about? Dogs are, it's not stagnant water. It is fresh. Just think of all the streams and natural springs and everything that flow out way out here in the national forest. It's not like there's an industry up here polluting, or it's sitting here stagnant. This is good water. Heck, I'd drink this water. Maybe I'd do a basic filtration system. All right, girl. Let's get up here. We'll come back down, I'm sure, several times. Okay? Come on. That is funny. All right, I've had my camp all set up here and messing around, doing the usual, some reorganizing. Actually got the camp shower out and I unfolded that thing finally, the tent part of it. Showered. I did manage to get it put back away okay. A little tricky. Them things are kind of funny. But anyway, so whenever we brought firewood, that firewood I had in the last video, I know. Yeah, that's not how you use a fire thing, Dave. I know. It was easy. I just stacked it there for now. I'm gonna move it off to the side and we'll probably get a fire going after a bit. Then I noticed over one of them campsites, somebody left behind some firewood they didn't use. So I pulled a little maneuver that I call the Scotty, okay? That's we did the Scotty maneuver and got on the e-bike and rode around the campground. There's a couple more over there that there's a little bit more around. But we got the big load over there. So that's some of you will get that little joke and some of you won't. But and I'm getting ready to have some dinner here. We're just gonna have, I think we was discussing whether we're gonna have hot dogs or hamburgers. The one thing we agreed on was we're having baked beans with whatever it is. So I vote for hamburgers. Russ is thinking hot dogs. Maybe we'll have both. That's what's gonna happen. We're gonna have both, I think. Well, we can agree on that too, probably. So it's been so nice here. It's been beautiful weather. Not too hot, a little bit, but there's been a nice steady kind of breeze. So it's been like perfect here. And it's been quiet. We're like, once in a while, yeah, we'll hear birds and hear the water a little bit once in a while. It's kind of quiet down there, but sometimes you'll hear the rippling of the water. There's a group of boys down here swimming. So they're having fun with their shenanigans. That the younger fellows tend to do. Russ won. We're having hot dogs and beans. we're gonna have hamburgers tomorrow. So we're just doing buns and beans, and it's just delicious. Last time we had hot dogs up here, they were done perfectly, yummy. Got the good bush beans or whatever. We'll be eating like kings tonight. We got, look what Russ buys. Look at this. He buys this ketchup blended with jalapeno. It's actually not too bad. It's got a little bite to it, but it's pretty good stuff. Good old yellow mustard. Got some Dijon mustard. Look at this. Look at there. We got some bun length, all beef Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Buns. We're about ready here. We are eating like kings tonight. Guess that's a matter of perspective, right? Let's say you. Matter of perspective.
You're just being nice to me because I put the wrong site number in.
No, that's not. I'm not gonna tell that story, Russ.
Oh, okay.
Matter of perspective. Some people will might say we're eating like peasants. From our perspective, this is yummy. This is gonna be good. Sure. We might have dessert later. We might make mountain pies. I don't know. That's probably optional. Just pretend I didn't say that, okay? We're gonna... Alright, let me get things going a little better. Beans are actually simmering. They're about done. I can get these dogs going and so we can eat. We're hungry. Alright, if I can get these done half as well as I did last time, we're gonna be happy. They were just all perfect last time. Hopefully I can pull that off. And Russ pointed out, brought to my attention, and I forgot about the onions on there too. So we got some diced for hot dogs and some sliced for hamburgers tomorrow. Say about all that, Bella. It sounds good to me. I'll wait here patiently until you serve my dinner. Okay? You do get a little bit of a fire going in here. It's probably more for just atmosphere. Smell the smoke and hear the crackling. I don't know if we're going to use it for anything or not tonight. Just going to hang out for a while this evening. I do have that camp cooker. Really sweet. I mean, I've mentioned this before, we all called them mountain pie irons, but I think the internet wants you to call them camp cookers instead. Brand new, never used. I'm gonna at least maybe season it a little bit, bring it up to temperature, let it cool down. I don't know, we might use it later on for dessert. It's undecided right now. But nice fire though, huh? Snap, crackle, pop. Let's check on our dogs. Oh, they're coming along pretty nice. Never mind the black things on there. Somebody doesn't clean their grill very well. Well, it's okay. It's camp food. We'll survive it. Are we gonna be okay?
Oh yeah.
Bella's not gonna complain, so I'm not going to either.
No, I'm not gonna complain.
All right. So we're still not quite done yet. They'll swell up a little bit and start splitting. There's a little bit more to go on those. I don't even mind mine burnt a little bit. Oh yeah, see, like this, yeah. Now that's getting where they're about done. Russ and I like him the same way. He's good with all this too. I think we're gonna call it done. These are like perfect. All right, let's get some yummy beans in here. I actually threw a hunk of onion in here for a little flavor. Oh, oops, that's plenty. That's plenty of beans. Russ, where's your bowl?
Right there.
All right, and you're really you love your beans too, right?
Yep.
Let them up good. All right.
Guess what? I grabbed one that has no spoon.
Really? How's that possible? You can use this one, big one.
Or do you want me to use that little one?
Or you can use that one.
Switch
You got the more beans. You got the bigger bowl.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. If any of you out there are getting hungry, I mean, if you hurry on up, get on over here. We got more beans and dogs probably gonna be left over. Hurry it up. Get over here. We'll save you a little bit. Okay. We're going with the Dijon mustard. A little extra heat. I haven't had Dijon in a while. Maybe we'll mix it up. A little Dijon, a little jalapeno. Ooh, whoops! Little jalapeno ketchup, huh? There we go. Nice polite noises. And we got no relish tonight. No cheese. Nothing too fancy. And we'll top it off. Get it all good and sloppy. We'll add some beans on top there. Now who's not hungry now, huh? Oh, look at that. All he needs about 6 paper towels. We'll be all set. I only thought I was all set. There's Russ is over there getting busy with the onions. I forgot that part. We're not afraid of. We're not germaphobes. We just grab in there with our hands. I think we both recently washed up. Right in the last 3 or 4 days, anyhow.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay. Oh, there we go. That's masterpiece. Look at that. Look at that. We're set. All right, we're gonna get busy. Well, we made short work of that. I feel better now. I was hungry. Still don't know about that yet. Important thing is we ate our dinner. We're starving. Odd thing, we haven't seen any deer through here. It's been quiet. Nothing this morning. Nothing all day. Nothing yet this evening. I did hear one snorting actually over across the other side of the river over there. I did hear one snort. Other than that,